Hi, my name is Kelsey Christensen, and I will be doing a speech over what environmental sustainability means to me. Environmental sustainability has always been something that I've been very fascinated about and very passionate about. I always tried to recycle, I always tried to use reusable water bottles, but I wasn't doing enough, or I didn't have enough information. I don't know. Either way, I knew that I could do more. So this past couple of months, since I've been in this class, I've been learning a lot about environmental sustainability. I did a speech on biodiversity conservation, which I find very interesting, and that is basically that we are expanding too much for our animals, that we are forcing them out of their homes and they are coming into towns, or they are not being able to live where they need to live to survive. I've also learned a lot about not using straws in the past couple months, not just because of this class, but because of other classes, and there's a big debate going on right now about how straws can kill sea turtles or other marine life because they cannot be recycled, and then they get thrown into the ocean and they go into the turtles' noses or other marine life. There's lots of videos out there, there's lots of research, and now they're making metal reusable straws instead of your plastic regular straws that you always see. Also, big name places are not using straws anymore. There is Starbucks, which isn't having their straws, they're having reusable lids and stir sticks instead of straws. There's also whole cities that are banning straws. Can't think of one right off the top of my head. I think Chicago's one of them, but there's whole cities that are banning them now, and there's also chain restaurants that are banning straws. So this movement's a big thing, not just because of this class, but because of today's society. And we are, as a whole, are banning stuff that is bad for our environment. I also learned a lot about recycling and what can and can't be recycled. So, for example, like I said, straws can't be recycled. Also, plastic bags, like the ones that you get from Walmart or Target, Super Saver, the Dollar Tree, whatever, those cannot be recycled either, at all. So they also get put into landfills or get blown through the wind and can get stuck on animals. I've seen a picture of, I think it was a pelican or a seagull or something like that, where it had a bag stuck on its entire body and it couldn't get out. And that really irritates me. I try to use reusable bags when I go shopping, but I know it's hard to do that because sometimes you forget your bags or whatever. But I think that we should figure out a way to recycle bags and straws. I also think that everyone should be more sustainable in their life, no matter what they're doing in their life. They should try at least, because this is the only planet we have. And while it might not affect us in our lifetime, it will affect future generations, like your grandkids or your best friend's niece's daughter. Who knows? But it will affect someone later, even if it's not affecting you right now. So I think everyone should try to be more sustainable, if not become more sustainable. Whether it's just using non-plastic water bottles, or it's trying to not use straws, or even going to the extreme and buying reusable straws and taking them everywhere you go. But you also have to think that if they put straws on your tables at restaurants, they have to throw those straws out after you leave. So even if you don't use them, they still have to throw them out. So make sure you ask for no straws, or you ask not to have a paper bag or a plastic bag at Walmart or somewhere like that. Just try to be more sustainable in your everyday life. Thank you.